What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Grant. I don't even know what day it is of quarantine, but I'm bored and I'm trying to figure out some things to do, and it just came to me. So, first of all, been out here working on the BMW. I'll flip the camera around so you guys can see. So we are, I don't know, maybe hour and a half. I finished cleaning the car, did a clay bar session. So as long as I've had this car, it has not been clay barred. I just clay barred the entire car. The paint was really, really rough, and now it's really smooth. So, and I started thinking about it. Of course, I'd like to do something about the interior. So, I mean, overall, the interior on this car is really good. It's just the door handles, like everybody else's, the door handles are horrible. I'm planning on picking up some of the door handles off of eBay or Amazon. My idea, I checked out, I was looking on the forums, and there's another guy that actually, instead of going with the mocha brown, decided to go with black handles, just because that's what's actually on the M5 as well, or any of the M cars. And I really like the contrast of that, so I'm planning on going with the black handles. I figured I would give you guys some content. I'm probably going to end up replacing them with, again, eBay or Amazon ones regardless, but you know, it's something to do, so I'm gonna give that a shot. Okay, so first thing to get these door pulls out, we have to actually remove this panel as well as this section here. That's gonna free up some bolts. I don't have any of the nice tools to pull this with. What I usually resort to is I have an old plastic knife, and it actually works out great. So that's what I'm going to use. And the first thing you're going to do is get behind here, and I'm going to get in here and start popping some of this out all the way around. As funny as it sounds, this plastic knife actually ends up working just like any of the other pull tools. So it worked out fine. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've actually never taken off this door panel, but I've just watched some other videos, and so, I'm not sure if you guys can see this here or not. There's a little thing that has to be pinched right here. And so that was kind of keeping me from being able to get this other light off. That helps it all. You can see that, but this here has to be depressed for you to be able to get that out, and stick a little bit of wiggling and it's out. Okay, there's our LED strip we have there for lighting, and then we're gonna get behind this one the same way. There we go, okay. Okay, this other door handle here has become a little bit more difficult, and I think I've got to actually use a regular screwdriver here, try to get underneath here, try to do this without damaging the plastic. But we need to actually lift this up. There we go. Okay. Do it softly, and we got it. You see that, Austin? Mm-hmm. All right. You say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Right there at the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, we got that one out, and now we can actually see the bolts behind us. So I've got a bolt here and a bolt here. So we'll get those out. So we're going to use a T30 to get these bolts out. Now that those bolts are out, it's really a matter of just getting the door panel off. So I'm going to get behind here.
Stick to something.
Huh?
It sticks to something.
Sticks to something?
Yeah.
Right, yeah, it kind of sticks, doesn't it? Okay.
Why are you putting it out?
Hmm?
Why are you putting it out?
Like I said, I'm taking the door handles off. Because you see how that door handle's real sticky and nasty?
Yeah.
Look at it. Come look at it on this side.
Yeah.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
You like touching that?
Mm-mm.
Daddy doesn't.
You're hitting it.
Hmm?
You're hitting something.
I'm hitting something?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Okay. Got one out. Hold that for me. One of them's out. Just like that. Hang the door again until we're done.
I'm gonna put the mine over here.
You put them where? I don't know if I want them way over there. Okay, we got our little lock here. Okay, boys, a couple days have passed. Just got our UPS delivery of our new handles, and we'll take a look at the build quality and kind of see what we've got. So for one thing, you know, I don't really like having to replace things that should have come through quality from the factory. So, and I know a lot of people are that way as well too. So I wanted to try to find out the best purchase that I could find without breaking the bank and trying to spend kind of the least amount of money there. So there is our new black handles there. I really like the way that looks. Just so you guys know, this is still a real nice soft touch plastic. And I found these on eBay. I'm going to put the link in the description. With shipping and everything, I think it ran me about $36. So these are some of the least expensive ones I've actually seen on eBay. Looked on Amazon, everything was $60, $70. And I said, you know, if I can spend some, less money and review some nice handles for you guys, I'll do it. And that actually looks really, really nice. Has a really nice soft touch to it, real nice feel. That looks unbelievable compared to our old handle. So yeah, as you can see, all the wear and everything on that other one, but that looks beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is unbox the rest of this, start putting it all together, and then reinstall everything. Man, that is really nice soft feel. One big thing that I wanted to make sure of, when you look online, there's a lot of these different kits that the rear handles end up being, or the rear window switches end up being a lot larger than the OEM. So that was something I was really concerned about, and it looks like these all are the correct size. I even took a little extra time in ordering. I messaged the seller online, and he said that they actually recognize that and as you can see, these are the absolute correct size. So for 30 bucks, like I said, 35, less than $40, that is, I believe, a really great pickup for anybody looking to replace these handles. So I'm gonna, again, go back in, reinstall everything, but man, that actually is really nice quality, really nice touch. I really like it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and then I'll give you guys an update of what it looks like when we're done. All right, fellas, so we pulled out into the sunlight so you guys can take a look, and that is our finished product. I definitely, man, that is a nice soft touch. I like the black on brown. It actually looks really, really good. You guys can see here. So there's our passenger side. You can see that black on the inside there. Really nice contrast. Buttons look perfect. So this actually came out looking awesome. I'll go look at the rear. And there's our rear. Looks great. Nice, like that nice black contrast. I'm really, really digging it. This is probably the best 40 bucks I've spent. So if you guys have any questions about whether or not you should pick up this kit, get rid of the questions, man. This is an awesome kit, especially for the price. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to try to keep this content coming to you guys. All right, have a good one now. See you on the next video.